London, a city that pulses with history, culture, and vibrant energy. From the ancient walls of the Tower of London to the modern marvels of the Shard, this city is a living, breathing tapestry of time. Every street, every building tells a story that spans centuries. 48 hours may seem like a blink, but with a bit of planning, it's just enough time to fall in love. Imagine walking through bustling streets, each corner revealing a new story, a new adventure. The city's rhythm will captivate you, making every moment memorable. Get ready to be swept away by iconic landmarks and hidden gems. From the majestic Tower Bridge to the futuristic lines of the Shard, every site is a testament to London's rich heritage and innovative spirit. The London Eye offers a panoramic view that will leave you breathless. Let's embark on a whirlwind tour and discover the best of London in just 2 unforgettable days. Pack your bags, grab your Oyster card, and let's begin our London adventure. From dawn till dusk, every moment will be an experience to cherish. Start your day at Buckingham Palace, the official residence of the Queen. Witness the iconic changing of the guard ceremony, a must-see spectacle of British pageantry. After soaking up the royal atmosphere, take a leisurely stroll along the River Thames or book a boat cruise. Check the description below the video for details on booking events and guided tours. The South Bank offers stunning views of the Houses of Parliament, the London Eye, and other iconic landmarks. For a unique perspective of the city, consider taking a ride on the London Eye, a giant Ferris wheel that offers breathtaking panoramic views. From the top, you can spot many of London's famous landmarks and appreciate the city's vastness. Don't forget to capture these moments. As lunchtime approaches, head towards Borough Market, a bustling market with aromas and flavors from around the world. Grab a bite from street food vendors or settle down for a leisurely lunch. As evening descends, head to Covent Garden, a vibrant district known for its street performers, theatres, and bustling atmosphere. Enjoy a pre-theatre dinner at one of the many restaurants in the area, offering everything from classic British fare to international cuisine. Complete your evening with a show in London's famous theatre district, the West End. From musicals to plays, there's something for every taste. Book your tickets in advance to avoid disappointment, as shows often sell out quickly. Make sure to arrive early to soak in the vibrant atmosphere. Start your second day with a visit to the British Museum, home to a vast collection of artifacts from around the world. Marvel at the Rosetta Stone and delve into the history of human civilization. From the British Museum, make your way to Trafalgar Square, a bustling public square. Admire Nelson's Column, a towering monument dedicated to Admiral Horatio Nelson. Come and experience the wonder of London. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos about things to do, day passes and city passes you can book. Get your tickets to visit Buckingham Palace and other famous landmarks. Check out the links in the description to explore many adventures you can book while in London. Thanks for watching. And feel free to leave a comment about your London experience and let us know what you enjoyed the most about London.